How to find the sound ID on Roblox. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily find the sound ID on Roblox. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your web browser, go to the search bar, and then simply search for roblox.com. Hit enter and make sure to log into your account. If you haven't already, just go ahead and click on this login button at the top and then enter your username and password to log in. If you have set up any two-step verification, you're going to have to enter the code as well. So let me quickly do that. Once you have verified your code, you should be able to log in. Now, in order to find the sound ID here, go ahead and click on the Create tab at the top. Tap on it. And once you head over to create.roblox.com, you're going to have to simply go to Studio. So you can find Roblox Studio over here. Now from here, you want to go over to any of your experience. So I'll just go ahead and click on it. And then once you are on your experience here, go over to your studio. And you can directly open up your studio from here. If you don't have studio, you could just download it. And once you have your studio downloaded, you want to go back to roblox.com and then go to Marketplace. And from Marketplace, you want to find audio. You can just go ahead and search for the item, and from all item you can just select audio category. Then what you want to do is just go ahead and click on the store option at the top here, and then from these categories go ahead and find audio. Click on audio, then you'll see a list of audios available. I'll just go to trending for now. And you'll find all of the list of the audios that you can add. So let's just do this one. You can just click on it. And once you have clicked on the audio, click on the drop down and then tap on more info. And once you do that, you'll find this number right on your URL. This is going to be your audio's ID. Now you can paste it on your Roblox Studio to add your audio and you'll be good to go. So this is where you actually find your audio ID on Roblox. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.